And large metro area hospitals are becoming overburdened with coronavirus patients, and it's just a matter of time when rural areas start to feel the impacts as well. Reporter Kent Lutzen has more on how rural Nebraska hospitals plan to treat COVID-19 patients.
As the coronavirus sweeps across the United States, hospitals are reevaluating their stock of supplies. And those healthcare facilities in rural America already find it difficult to get the resources needed, especially during a global pandemic.
It feels almost like the calm before the storm, so we are as prepared as we can be.
Eric Barber, president of Mary Lanning Healthcare in Hastings, says resource allocation is the biggest challenge for rural hospitals. His key focus has been making sure the hospital is stocked with personal protective equipment to combat COVID-19.
And we're on a 2 to 4 week supply right now that we actually have available.
According to the Department of Health and Human Services, there are 64 critical access hospitals and 145 health clinics in rural Nebraska. President and CEO of Bryan Health out of Lincoln, Russ Gronwald, says he's confident these rural doctors and nurses can keep up with a surge in coronavirus patients.
Folks in rural Nebraska do exactly what you expect in a crisis. They don't run away from it, they run right to it.
Gronwald says many of these hospitals have opened up bed space, checked the number of available ventilators, and worked closely with the larger hospitals in Lincoln and Omaha.
They've said, we plan on keeping as many of these patients as possible until they get to the point where they need 24/7 ventilation.
If more resources are needed, many rural hospitals have designed a plan on how to safely transfer their patients. Until then, Barber says his staff is prepared for this pandemic.
We could take a surge of another 50 patients. We have a 10-bed ICU. We have enough ventilators to equip each one of those rooms with a ventilator. We have a local surgery center that could help us acquire more if we needed to.
Barber is also encouraging residents in rural areas to support local businesses that help keep the community thriving. Reporting in Richfield, Kent Lutzen, 3 News Now.